Everybody is looking for a healthier life. Start yours with us. Like, comment, and subscribe for your journey to wellness. Let's embrace nature's wisdom together.
Alright folks, today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy meatloaf that'll knock your socks off. Let's dive right in. First up, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, grab a large bowl. We're starting with 1 pound of lean ground turkey. It's our healthier meat option. Toss in 1 finely chopped onion and a minced garlic clove. Next, grate up a carrot and a zucchini. These veggies make it moist and nutritious. Add a cup of oats, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and 2 beaten eggs. Now, sprinkle in some salt, pepper, and a teaspoon of dried thyme. This mix is going to be packed with flavor. Time to get your hands dirty. Mix it all together until it's well combined. Grab a loaf pan and spray it with a bit of non-stick cooking spray. Then, press your meat mixture into the pan, smoothing it out evenly. Here's a pro tip. Spread a thin layer of ketchup on top. It adds a sweet, tangy finish. Pop it in the oven and bake for about 50 minutes or until the internal temperature hits 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's baking, let's chat about sides. Steamed broccoli or a fresh salad pairs perfectly with this meatloaf. And there you have it. Healthy meatloaf, delicious and guilt-free. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty and healthy recipes. Catch you next time.
Before you go, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.